Today we're making Melomakarona. 250 grams unsalted butter, 1 cup Greek olive oil, 1 cup fresh orange juice, 50 ml cognac and 50 ml ouzo. Mix him up. Put aside 1 pinch salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon cloves powder, 1 cup white sugar. Sieve him up the self-raising flour. Put inside 2 cups flour. Slowly mix him. Put inside more flour till he's coming nice. When it's like this, he's finished. Preheat the oven, 170 degrees Celsius. Sketto mavro. Roll 1 bowl, make him a little bit so it's like coupes, and fix him up with your fingers. Put him in the oven till he's golden brown. Put the walnuts to stove it, toast him up, take him off, and put him aside. For the syrup, 3 cups water, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, and 5 cloves. Put the juice from half a lemon, mix him up, and bring him to the boil. Now it's boiling, turn him off. Put inside 1 cup of honey. Leave them out, cool them down. Spicy the nuts. 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon cloves. Mix him up very nice. Keep the syrup very little heat. Not hot, just warm. Put inside the syrup. Mix him, both sides. 10 seconds. Take him out. Dry him off. Put him inside the nuts. Fix him up. And keep going. Καλά Χριστούγεννα. It's bloody beautiful, man.